So to make these beautiful landscapes, you will need a box of chalk pastels and a box of oil pastels and 2 pieces of paper and scissors. The first thing you will do is cut out your land forms, whether that be hills or mountains, and you just cut off the shape. So you will be using the stencil upside down, and you will take your chalk and smear it going across the stencil onto the paper, but you have to hold it with the other hand. Hold it very tightly. And then you'll use your Kleenex and smear the chalk down while you're still holding the stencil. Ta-da! And then you can flip your paper over, flip the stencil over, and do it again, choosing a different color. Then you could even cut clouds or a sun. I'm going to cut a sun on this one. The final step is to take your oil pastels and add details to your picture. You can add trees, birds, flowers, or anything you'd like.